Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add money to PayPal balance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course if you want to do it via your phone, go to the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to PayPal. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home screen, send, wallet, activity, and help options. We also have the send and request, and we have some other options here as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add money to PayPal balance. So first of all, what you need to do is go through all of these options. So not home, not send, but go to the wallet option, which is the middle option. When you click on there, first, of course, you need to go and link a card or bank to be able to go and transfer money to your PayPal. After you've done that, it is pretty simple. Then you just need to go and send payments, which you can see here. PayPal balance is 0, estimated total of all currencies. Click on send payments. And there guys, when you click on send payments, you can go, when you of course link your credit card or bank account, you can then go and transfer funds from your credit card or bank account to your PayPal. So as you can see, it is pretty simple and it can be done in just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.